Hello everyone, so welcome back to the Home Lab series. And in last video we made our bootable Proxmos USB drive, and in this video we are going to use it to set up Proxmos in our mini PC. You can see on my screen I'm using OBS Studio, and in this OBS Studio as a source I captured the display of our mini PC. How I did it, I explained and showed in my previous Home Lab series videos. You can check it out. Title will be, I guess, starting the mini PC. Uh, okay, so now I connected my USB drive, bootable Proxmos USB drive, which we made in last video, to our mini PC. Just to the USB port it has, nothing special. So now we are gonna boot into it. So we need to go in boot menu. First, I'm not sure, like, if I restart my mini PC it will directly boot into boot menu or it will open Windows directly. So I'm not sure about that. Let's check it out what is gonna happen. So should we check out or should we just start going in boot menu? I guess we should just start into boot menu. I should search like what is the key to enter in boot menu, because I forget uh, how to enter in boot menu in Skull Saint Rudra Mini. This is a mini PC, so it can be it's possible like there will be different key for entering boot menu. To enter boot menu in Skulls and Rudra Mini, power it on and repeatedly press ESC key to access the boot device options directly, or press the del key to enter the BIOS and change the boot order. Delete key, okay. Then restart the system for the boot menu to appear. Okay, so I need to uh, ESC to boot devices option due to access boot device option directly. So I guess I should use ESC. It should work. Oh, I forgot to show on my screen. So what I was reading. Let's remove it on little side. So see, you can see I just read this content from the Google search. If like previously it was not visible, because the mini PC screen can be over it, so it might be hidden. Okay, so let's go. Mm, let's. I am just not fully maximizing it because some people might have doubt like I'm logged into mini PC or something. Well, I can at least increase the size of a little. This should be better so that everyone can see it properly. So now let's restart our mini PC. Uh, Alt F4 in the keyboard of mini PC. Shut down, restart. Man, it's very small. I can't see properly. I should increase that size a little. Uh, okay, so it's restart. Just don't forget, this is the screen of our mini PC which we captured by obvious. Okay, so restart. Mm, enter. Restarting, we need you to press ESC. I'm repeatedly pressing ESC key. ESC, ESC. Oh, uh, so fast. I did not expect it will be that fast. Okay, so uh, for some reason I don't want to delete our Windows, but because I doubt I will install it or not. So most of the people will have the doubt like should we dual boot with Windows or not. So for your info, I already tried that deleting the Windows in my main laptop, and after that when I was trying to play some games, so in Linux, like gaming is, you can say, a bad, so you can't play games in Linux, so I needed to install my Windows back. So after a lot of effort I was able to install Windows back to my system with dual boot configuration. So it's not like if you will delete your Windows, you can't get it back. You can always get it back. You can just go on Windows official website, and with your email which you used for the first time for the signing into Windows, you can use that and download the Windows ISO image, then create a bootable pen drive and then set it up. And yeah, the one thing which you should notice is like if you create Windows bootable pen drive in Linux, there won't be any drivers. So during the boot time, you will face issues like it will say USB driver not detect. You are not able to detect the hard drive for the boot code etc. So use some tool like Balena Archer, or there is I guess Win something in Linux which which set up drivers with your Windows ISO image so that it will be able to access. And after you mm install the window, it will run. There will be nothing working. You will need to download and install every driver of your hardware for your Windows manually. Like I was using HP, so I went to HP Assistant website, and there you can see like which drivers are required for your hard drive, for your hardware, for your Windows to support. Just install them one by one, and then you are good to go. So yeah, if you delete Windows, installing it again will be you can say kind of headache, but you can do it if you want Windows back, obviously. But in my experience, Windows is good for gaming. For other things, Linux is fine. Yeah, but Microsoft Word and all, there are some tools. Windows has some advances for user-friendly features, but for programming and all, Linux is best. Okay, so that's discussion about we should remove Windows or not. So I decided if I see any option during Proxmos installation that I can save window like do a dual boot with Proxmos, then I will do that. Else I'm gonna uh, install Proxmos and remove everything. So let's just do, so what I need to do is change the boot order or directly boot into our drive. Okay, so which are the options I should explore them to BIOS information, vendor, system language. I don't need them. It looks like it is EUFI something because the UI looks kind of better. CPU configuration, power performance, trusted computing, PCI GBI family controller. Uh, what is that? Don't know. Our use case is with boot, so let's go on boot. Boot configuration, state after G3, S5 state, wake system from OS, S5 disabled, wake on LAN enabled, network stack. Okay, so what it is saying? I did not see boot menu of mini PC before, so I'm just exploring a little like what is in there. Boot configuration is saying something state after G3. I have no idea. Wake system from S5 disabled, no idea. Wake on LAN. It should be like if it will connect to LAN, it will automatically restart something like that. Network stack disabled. Okay, fixed boot order priorities. Boot option hard disk, Windows boot manager P1 YC electronics 500 GB. So first boot order is our window, second is boot option NVMe. We have NVMe too. I am not sure. Maybe some external hard drives if we connect, or maybe there is some option to add NVMe in this. If I don't know, maybe there should be some NVMe slot. CD, DVD, USB, SanDisk. Okay, so this is our boot option for. We want to use this boot option network, UEFI hard disk, drive priorities, USB drive priorities. So what how I can change it? Change the boot order. USB drive SanDisk priorities. Change option. Can I click on it? Set the system boot order. Select screen. Select item, enter, select change option, F1 previous. Okay, let's try enter. A USB drive, boot option, hard disk, Windows boot manager, USB drive. Okay. Okay, again enter, but it had nothing happened. Hmm. Should I use up and down arrows? Let's see. Nothing is happening. How I will change the boot order? Hmm. Select item. F1 optimize F4. Why nothing is there? UEFI hard disk drive ABS priorities. What is that? Specify the boot device priority sequence from available UEFI hard disk drive. UEFI USB drive ABS. Specify the boot device priority sequence from available UEFI USB drive. Let's try clicking on it. Boot option. SanDisk. Okay, so I selected. Okay, so selected. Uh, what happened? Select change option. Change option. Mm, I guess nothing happened. I need to go back. Uh, how I go back from here? Enter F1 previous values. Okay, F2. No, I'm struggling in the boot option. Uh, okay, let's use ESC. Oh, went back. Hard disk drive. Okay, hard disk drive ABS priorities. Well, let's check what is in hard disk Windows. There is just window in hard disk right now. Okay, go back again. Uh, okay, so maybe plus to change. Let's try plus. Nothing happening. Uh, shift plus. Oh, something has happened. What happened? Oh, it was working. It moved up. Hmm. Let's try with minus. Uh, it went down with minus. Uh, oh, what happened? Oh, my HDMI disconnected little. Plus. Okay. Looks like. But where is window? Window should be second. Mm, so now USB EFI is on the first. On the second option, hard disk Windows, and we want our uh, second option is now Windows boot manager, which right, and first option is SanDisk partition 2, which is our Proxmos. Looks fine. So F4 is for save and exit. So F4 save configurations. Yes. Uh, Good. See, you can see the Proxmos screen. This is our mini view screen, so it's ready to boot into Proxmos. Well, I should tell you I don't have any public IPs, so I am trying to use our private IP here. Mm, let's see. Uh, okay, let's start. Okay, I forgot I need to use my keyboard of mini PC. Okay, so I want to boot into Proxmox from graphical installation. Should I use graphical or should I use terminal? Mm, Install Proxmox virtual environment graphical, Proxmox virtual environment terminal. I am a Linux user, so I am not sure graphical Proxmox will be better or not. Maybe I should go for Proxmox virtual environment terminal UI. Can I install both? I guess no. Should I use try one by one? Hmm, little confused here. But graphical UI always have less power. I guess I should use terminal UI. But maybe if so, like mm, what happen if I can use terminal in graphical UI too? But graphical UI take more resources, so I have resource constraints a little. So let's just go for terminal UI. Mm, welcome Proxmos testing again. Something is happening. Looking little cool. Looked good. I should maximize here. Remember, it is my mini PC screen, not my actual screen. Okay, it's asking for something. License agreement, which nobody ever read. And I am also not gonna read. Just enter. Screen is little small. Target hard disk. It is electronic 476 GB by 476 GB. Okay, so target hard disk is this. Can I have some options? Advanced options. Okay. It, my HDMI cable is working little strange. I guess I should mm, keep it separately from my mouse. Yeah. Like my mouse is getting in way of my HDMI cable. Okay, so file system is ext4. Total size, snap size 476 GBs. Mm, what should I do? Should I go for ext4 or should I go for normal one? Uh, I'm little confused. Is choosing terminal UI better option or not? Terminal is always better. Don't be confused. Maximum root volume size. Uh, I have no idea what I need to do here. So let's go back and just go with default settings for now. Next, country, time zone, Austria, Europe, Vienna, German. I can change it or I can, should I change it? Uh, what it is saying? Okay. I guess I should change it to India. Or should I keep the default version? I guess I should have gone for the UI version, but I'm not. No regrets. Just go for terminal. Change. Oh, I am little below. I can't see anything properly because screen is so small. Where is India? Oh, here. Okay, keyboard time zone is Asia Kolkata. Keyboard layout German. No, keyboard layout is not German. It is. I am confused here. German, French, Japanese, Polish. Is there option of India too? Default is German. I guess I should go for German then because I'm not sure and I don't wanna mess up anything. Let's go with German. Next, root password. Okay, I need some strong password. Confirm password. Administrator email. Hmm. Uh, I should have made an email too. But now I can't do anything. Mm, I will just use some of email which I already have. Root password. Let's add some strong password. Uh, I'm not even sure like which is the it is right password or not. Uh, okay. German keyboard, so it's kinda bad. I don't know how what I'm typing because ASCII values can be different. Okay, so email time ng 430913 @g. Oh, it's bad. We don't need German here because I am trying to type but it's detecting something else. So let's change it to something else. Keyboard type uh, Belgian, Canada, France, Italian, Polish, Sweden, Swiss, Turkish, United Kingdoms. I guess that will be the our keyboard type probably. Let's use this. Let's try next. Re-enter the details. Mm, NG 430913 still it is detecting something else for so this is not our keyboard type which we need. Somebody know which is the keyboard type we need. US English or US English. Probably this one should work. uh, yeah, I can see symbol. Good. Gmail.com. I should change the passwords to you can use any password you like. Okay, good. Invalid passwords do not match. Why, man? Looks like I typed something. Let's re-enter. Both of the password. Mm, uh, Looks like it is correct. My email is correct, right? I should increase the screen so that I can see clearly a little. Uh, no, looks like I typed M instead of N. Yeah, should correct it. Now looks better. Uh, get back to the normal size. Mm, Next. Okay, cool. What is it? It is asking management instructions. Host name, host name fully qualified domain, but I don't know. IP address CIDR 6800.2/24 192 gateway address is DNS server. DNS server address is localhost. Should I keep it as default? Uh, I maybe I will be able to change this host name later. So for now, let's keep it something random. Uh, let's name it May. Okay. So this is the host name. IP address hider. Okay, it's maybe IP address hider. I'm not sure why it is having this IP, but I'm gonna keep it as default. It has its default values. There should be some reason why Proxmos creators added this. So let's invalid hostname, not valid. Uh, I need to enter some hostname. Which one I should? I have no domain, man. Mm, A dot b dot com. Now, uh, tag box dot. No, I guess I should use uh, hmm, let's say may may dot tag box. Uh, may dot tag box. So it should be fine this time. Next. Okay, worked. Boot disk file system is ext4. Boot disk is dev sda. It did not give me option to choose the file system. ACI Kolkata, keyboard is US English, email is this, management interface is this, DOS name is this, IP, host IP cider is this, host IP. It will ask for this IP, but this IP should be available in my router because it's a private IP. DNS is this. Automatically reboot after installation. Okay. Install. Mm, okay, go on. Just do it. We can always restore it if it has anything. Create partitions. So our installation process started. If something goes wrong, I will just reinstall the setup. So I guess we don't need to worry about that because I'm already gonna delete everything. Hmm. Okay, our installation process is started. Let's see how much time it's gonna take. We are already 27 minutes into the video. Video is getting too long. I thought it will be a little shorter. I am doing this so that everyone knows like what's gonna happen. Since uh, if we never try this, we will not know. Like if I just try to set up Proxmos with private IPs, what problems I am gonna face. So this is a learning experience. So I am just doing some things, default things. I don't even have domain. If we face any problems, we will figure out what we need to do at that time. Setup Proxmos. Oh yeah. If you are watching till now, you should definitely like and subscribe my channel because it need to be grow, man. I just created this channel. You are the ones who is gonna make me give subscribers, make my channel popular. Okay, so what that now make system bootable. 99% is done. Oh man, my window is gone. Uh, what can't happen? Need to install finished. Auto recovering. Okay, it's restarting. Kill any remaining processes. System proc. But it deleted window so fast. Oh, maybe it did not deleted the content, just overwrite the address space and all. Why it is asking? Oh, because of boot order. I should remove the pen drive and then try. Or yeah, I should remove pen drive from my mini PC now, and then I should restart. Uh, Press any key to arrow to ESC to back. Back, back. Enter, select arrow, navigate E to edit entry, ESC to back. I am pressing ESC, but it's not getting back. Mm, Maybe I should restart the system by power. I just but press the power button. HDMI output is gone. Oh, mini PC power button is behind the mini PC, so I need to head up a little. Let's on it again. Oh man, USB port is kinda hot with temperature. Okay, so Proxmos, GNU. Oh, I was not able to read like what it was showing. Maybe next time, or I can watch my video too. Okay, we are booting into the Proxmos. It's my first time. Let's see how it looks. And I set up the terminal interface. Hope I don't regret it later. I should have explored the GUI once too. Okay, may login. HTTPS. This is the IP address. I should like look. I can access it or not. Oh, I should check like in my this IP is available in my router or not. Uh, let's see on look. Let's go to router login. It was 192.168.11. I guess this is the right router admin panel. Yeah, looks like it is right. So let's see. Admin, I already saved the passwords, so I don't need to enter. Airtel router is kind of bad because it restricted everything. I can't even reserve a IP for my system. Oh, you will be able to see my MAC address and all. I should blur it out later. Okay, so for the IP addresses, it is 192.168. Okay, so I guess this IP is not taken, so we can use that IP. So let's try if we are able to access that IP or not. Where? Yeah, where it is 192.168.100.2 and the port is 0806. Should increase the should zoom it out. 8006. Okay. So let's go. Let's check our admin panel of Proxmos 192.168.100.2 and port was 8006. Why it is not working? Is something wrong? Mm, let's check. 100.8000 HTTPS. It is asking. It is saying to go on HTTPS, not HTTP. Does it edit some certs and all automatically? Uh, may login. Uh, mm, okay, let's try HTTPS instead of HTTP. Work. If it is not working, then something's wrong. Wait, I am not connected to LAN. So will it work? My router don't even know like there is some device on this IP. Hmm, is my Proxmo started or not? How I will know? I can't see. Don't copy any MAC address and all. I will just blur it out everything. If I don't forget, then don't try. It looks like it's not working. Am I connected to the Wi-Fi? Yeah, I am connected. Uh, is address same 192.168.100.2 and 80806. And welcome to the Proxmox virtual environment. Please use your web browser to configure this server. Connect to. Okay, it is saying to use browser 8006. Let me verify the address again. 192.168.100.2. It is 80, right? 80806. I guess it's the 80806 slash 2 workman. Why it's not working? What's wrong? Okay, HTTPS. The connection has timed out. Server is taking too long to respond. Do we use some LAN or something? Let's try to log in here. Uh, here. Uh, what was the username? Hmm. Did I configure some username or password? Root. Um, okay, so I am in the root terminal, Linux SMP. The program included with Debian, Linux install free software, the exact distributor of each program are described in the individual file system in US. Okay, so looks like this is working. Let's type ls. Nothing is there. Uh, I want to see open ports, so let's use top. Which things are running in it? Top, systemd, kernel, poll, workaround, RCU. Lot of things are running, but I am not able to access the admin panel. How I will know my Wi-Fi is connected or not? And I also see with how many CPUs I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 looks like. I have a lot of RAM, MB, a lot of things, but how I'm gonna mm, okay, how I gonna access this? Uh, Control X, no, Q, not working. Oh, it was working, but it was not clearing the screen. Uh, Now clear the screen, but I am unable to connect to the server. Why it can happen? Should I restart the Proxmos to start the server? Something is wrong. Let's see. Let's Google something. Let's ask ChatGPT first. Mm, I set up Proxmos in my mini PC and it showed me IP. It's showed me IP to X. Why it is going back? Showed me IP to access admin panel of Proxmos, but nothing coming there. Check IP address. I already checked HTTP IP address. For example, this. Okay, Proxmox use Proxmox uses as these ports. Not port 80. Okay, I know. Make sure your PC laptop is on the same local network as mini PC running Proxmos. For example, if Proxmos is at 192.168.1.0.000, your computer should be something like this. Okay, if they are not the same network, different subnets, the web interface won't load. Open command prompt, window, ping IP address. Example, okay, let's try to ping. This can be a problem. Ping, oh, my mini PC keyboard. So ping IP address 192.168.100.2 numlock 192.100 dot sorry 168.100.2 uh, name or service not known. mm, Ping command is known, I guess. So port uh, 8006, something wrong. Oh, two dots. Still not known. Let's try with just IP this time. Two. Okay. 64 bytes try. ISMB times this. Uh, I'm getting response. So it means basically what it is happening. Our Proxmos is able to is Proxmos web server and web interface is working, but probably slash 24 was the subnet. So slash 24 basically means uh, oh, okay, I got. So if no one noticed, like when I configure the Proxmos, there was a subnet slash 24 cider slash 24 and IP address was like dot 100. So basically here network address is different. So Proxmos is starting in a different network and I'm trying to access it from a different network. So let's explain. So what happened there, when I configured Proxmos, we see cider like 192.168.100 dot 2 or like subnet was slash 24, cider was slash 24. But our this is Proxmo's network, but our network is on fun dot something. So this is like our current network cider. So see, network address is this. In case of us, our network address is this. But in case of Proxmos, our network address is 192.168.168 dot 168 dot 100 dot 0. So basically in both cases our network is different. So I'm connecting to Proxmos in a different network from my current network. So it is basically there is no link right now. We need some link to reach that network. So basically I mess up in the configuration. I need to reset up the Proxmos. So let's uh, what we can do now. Uh, we have bootable pen drive. So I will just reboot the Proxmos again. Uh, oh, it is flooded with the output. See, I have the bootable pen drive. So I maybe there will be some options which I can use to reconfigure the Proxmo's IP address, but I am kind of lazy. I'm just the starting step, so I will just reinsert the bootable pen drive of Proxmos into our Proxmos and I will reboot it. And this time should be careful about uh, the IP and cider. Let's restart. Uh, Close our Proxmos. Mini PC, sorry, not Proxmos. It's closed. Let's restart. My laptop is hot. I should turn on the AC. So again back to the good Proxmos UI where we started in this video. Man, we are back to the zero after 44 minutes. But yeah, we know, we debug this. Anyone can face this issue. So yeah, configure your IP addresses uh, correctly. These are the things which you will learn by the home lab setup. As how you gonna learn this? Practical experience of network connectivity. Uh, Terminal UI again. Let's go. Let's go with the default settings. Cool, cool, working fast. Uh, Accept the agreement which no one read. Target hard disk. Okay, why it is showing just 476 GB? Where is the 100 GBs? Country. Okay, it's keyboard type. We faced this. First, select the keyboard type. English is in the end. US English. Cool. Uh, Country. Select India for the time zone, obviously. Mm, okay, Asia Kolkata time zone looks good. Next, root password. Uh, Enter it correctly. I should figure out a new password. Mm, 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 mm. And I should also note this password, else I will forget. For email, re-enter the email. What I did? I did ng at the rate. Why? Back. Okay, let's check. Email is ng430913 at the rate gmail.com. Looks good. Password and all fine. Let's next. So this is the main problem which we first faced previously. Mm, let's give a domain name. Same as before. Mm, uh, uh, Meme.proxmos, I guess, should give some useful name. Meme dot proxmos. Meme.proxmos looks good. And need to set up the cider. IP address cider. So which IP address I want? I want to give it a unique IP. Uh, Instead of 2, I will give it some IP which is not allocated in my system and a rare chance to get allocated normally. So let's give it 100 here. Numlock. Mm, it's just some random IP I'm giving. 192.168.1.100. Uh, Gateway IP will be our 1.1. So let's do this. One, okay, and DNS server address, localhost. Uh, should I give some other address? It's localhost. So maybe uh, Proxmox has some localhost DNS server. I'm not exactly sure about this. Meme.proxmos 192.168.1.100 or 102. Need to zoom it a little. Uh, Zoom out. Okay, 100. 192.168.1.1 localhost looks fine. I should recheck my gateway address once. I don't want to set up reinstall the Proxmus. Gateway, local network, DHCP server, IPv address is this. Probably this is the gateway, maybe. DHCP start IP address from this, and is this. DHCP lease time is this. Primary DNS is this. Uh, I am not using LAN, and my proxy is not connected to Wi-Fi. So will it be able to connect to internet? This is also my question. How it is gonna connect to internet? I'm not configuring Wi-Fi anywhere, and I uninstalled everything too. Do I need a LAN cable here? I thought I can connect to Proxmo's Wi-Fi. Let's set it up and let's see what happens. Hmm. Static IP I can't reserve here. Let's go. Uh, Here. Next. Uh, Install. Okay, so install process is running again. Let's see. Until it's installing, we should look on internet. Like, do I need uh LAN cable for Proxmos? Let's see. Mm, ChatGPT, do I need LAN cable to Proxmos in my mini PC, or it can connect to Wi-Fi? Great question. Do you need a LAN cable to use Proxmox? No, Proxmox can use Wi-Fi, but it's not officially supported and is harder to set up. Oh, really? By default, Proxmox expects a wired Ethernet connection. Proxmox is based on Debian Linux and installer does not include Wi-Fi driver or utilities. Default Proxmox installer skips Wi-Fi configuration. It looks for a wired interface. Wi-Fi interface usually require additional driver WPA supplicant configuration to handle Wi-Fi authentication. Manual setup via command line. Best practice: use LAN cable to connect to your mini PC. PC running Proxmox to your router or switch. Much simpler setup, faster and more reliable connection, especially connection, especially for VM and remote access. Nice. I don't even have LAN cable right now because I did not order it. I thought it will be able to connect to Wi-Fi. And I also deleted my uh, what did we say, Windows. So basically, I can't use internet in my mini PC. Nice. I'm stuck. What? Nice, man. Nice. Now I guess I should look for a LAN cable. Hmm. Let's see. This time, well, it is not connected to Wi-Fi. It is just in the box. How it gonna access the internet, man? Ah, I mess up a big time here. Hmm. Oh, that's why it chose the wrong IP probably. Again, should disconnect my USB drive. Uh, See, problem with new people. Restart again. Now I need to look for a LAN cable. Boot up, yeah, Skull Saint. Uh, let's see the options. Memory, UFS system. Oh, man, I messed up the Proxmos setup because I did not had LAN. Yeah, because I did not connect to LAN. I thought Proxmos I can use Wi-Fi. Ah, maybe. I hope that's not only me. Uh, so what now? I know this is not gonna work, but should try one more time. Hmm, man, this is a big mistake. Let's try. This which was 1.100. Yeah, this was the thing. 190.168. Yeah, still not connecting. Need a line cable for Proxmos. Hmm. Okay, so I guess in this video we are done. Uh, I will meet in the next video with LAN cable or some alternative if I can find any. I don't have any internet, so how I can configure and driver in this? Maybe I will need to use some USB or something with driver to copy that. Can I list connected disk LSBLK? Oh no, I need to log in first. Incorrect login. Let's try. Uh, may may no admin admin password. Uh, enter workman. Incorrect. Uh, maybe I forgot the password too. Or root. Uh, mhm. Enter the password. Oh man, I was entering my password like that. Or display is gone again. Root. Enter. Uh, and this is the problem with my HDMI cable because it's in the way. Let's move it somewhere. Okay, so backspace is something typed in middle. Uh, okay, we are into the, let's use LSBLK for listing the partitions. I can see the partitions. So there is a complex way by which we can install Wi-Fi into this. Like I can probably hypothesis, but I can maybe install Wi-Fi drivers in my USB drive. Then I copy into this disk from USB to a Proxmos disk, and then set up Wi-Fi with command line interface. So this is one technique if I don't find LAN cable, or I can find LAN cable and connect to LAN cable, but then I will need to keep connected to the LAN cable. So I just have two options: install the Wi-Fi drivers to set up Wi-Fi, or either use a LAN cable. So mm, see you in the next video. I will figure out what I'm gonna do: use a LAN cable or set up Wi-Fi drivers. Uh, let's see. But yeah, See, don't mess up this like this. If you have LAN cable, just connect it. You will be able to move forward then. Well, I mess up in this video, but see, still, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and follow the my home lab series. So, bye bye. How much time? 1 hour, and we basically stuck. But still, this is a learning experience.